Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To run a Python program in the command prompt, you need to follow these steps. Step 1. Open the command prompt. Press the Win+R keys to open the Run dialog box. Type CMD and press Enter to open the command prompt. Step 2. Navigate to the directory where your Python script is located. Use the cd command to navigate to the directory where your Python script is saved. For example, if your script is saved in a folder named Python Programs on the desktop, you would type. Step 3. Run the Python script. Once you are in the correct directory, you can run your Python script by typing Python followed by the name of your script. For example, if your script is named hello.py, you would type. Step 4. View the output. The output of your Python script will be displayed in the command prompt. Here is an example Python script, hello.py, that you can use to test this process. Save the above script in a file named hello.py, navigate to the directory where it is saved in the command prompt, and then run it using the Python command as shown above. By following these steps, you can run Python programs in the command prompt effectively.